So when it comes to smartphone, what do you look for? An OLED display, fast processor, amazing cameras, or maybe big battery? Well, we came across a phone which offers something different, something which we have never seen before in a smartphone, and could be a helpful tool to have with you these days. We are talking about a non-contact infrared thermometer. Apparently, a Chinese smartphone maker UMIDIGI has launched a new budget smartphone called UMIDIGI A9 Pro, which offers this thermometer that can check your temperature without contact. It also features all the other specs that you'd expect from an Android smartphone at a price of just $120. For this price, it offers a great look and build, offering a 2.5D glass on both front and back panel, while the middle frame is made up of metal. The rear panel has a fingerprint sensor and a quad camera layout. The power and volume buttons are on the right, while the left side has a dedicated shortcut key for temperature measurement and SIM card slot. As for display, the device features a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with 2340 by 1080 pixels. Powering the device is MediaTek Helio P60 SoC with up to 6GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage. This chipset is not bad considering the price. It also doesn't cut corner with the cameras. At the back, it has a rectangular camera layout with 4 sensors. The main lens is a 48MP f1.79 Sony sensor. However, this is found only on the top-end 6/128GB variant. The 464GB model has a 32MP Sony sensor. Other lenses are the same on both, which includes 16MP 120° field of view ultra-wide, a 5MP depth and a 5MP macro sensor. Front, it has a 24MP selfie shooter. Additionally, the A9 Pro also has an infrared sensor on the rear panel to measure the body temperature of people without touching them. Other features include 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, dual SIM plus microSD card slot up to 256GB and 4150 mAh battery with 10 watts charging via USB-C. The device comes in frost green and onyx black color options. So what are your thoughts about this phone? Personally, we have never used a phone from UMIDIGI, so we don't know about the software updates or how reliable the phones are. But all we wanted to do is to tell you about this unique phone. Anyways, the new budget smartphone will be available on AliExpress starting from October 16th. The 464GB variant will cost $120, while the 6/128GB will cost $140. So that is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.